Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to navigate the eToro platform. After logging into your account, start at the home dashboard. Here you can observe trending stocks scrolling by. Your main screen features a welcome message and displays your current cash balance and total holdings. You will also see your daily profit or loss reflected as both a percentage and a specific currency amount. A performance graph tracks your earnings over time. While it defaults to the last month, you can easily toggle between a week, 3 months, 6 months, year-to-date, or a full year. This area also highlights your available funds for investment in USD and your net profit or loss since your chosen start date. Scroll down to access the news feed and forum to read insights from other community members. Next, navigate to the Watchlist tab. This section allows you to track specific stocks you are interested in by adding them to your personalized list. From there, head over to the Portfolio section to view all your active investments and see how much money they are currently generating. If you are looking for new opportunities, the Discover tab helps you find fresh stocks and successful investors to follow. Your Wallet section provides a detailed look at your financial settings, showing exactly how much capital is available versus what is currently invested. For those interested in automated strategies, the Copy Trader feature allows you to select a professional trader and replicate their moves. You can also consult the economic calendar to find specific dates for buying stocks from companies that are currently issuing dividends. Finally, you can manage your capital through the Withdraw Funds option or adjust your preferences in the Settings menu. These are the essential basics of using the platform. If you require a more comprehensive guide, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. I will see you in the next guide.